start new topic, that is 6.3, rusting of iron. First of all, let us see what is rusting. Rusting is a process in which on iron, any iron objects, a thin layer of brownish substance is deposited, so that it is called rusting process. Generally, where iron metal is used, it is used in bridges, making of ships, cars and truck bodies, and also at our homes, for example, window grills, lock and key, nails, etc. There are iron is used. But during especially monsoon season, we see this rusting process going on faster. But what is it? I show you one equation. The equation is Fe, that means iron, plus oxygen plus water, it gives iron oxide. Iron oxide, that means rust. So oxygen and water both are available in atmosphere when it comes in contact with iron. So rusting process will take place. But how to prevent it? How do we prevent our objects from getting rust? So here it is, two methods are there to prevent rusting. Two methods are there. The first one is paint or grease. See children, either we paint our object or we apply a layer of grease on the object. So the paint, that means oil paint, and grease, that means oily substance. Now when we apply this kind of material on any iron object, it will stop being contact with oxygen and water, so that the rusting process will be stopped. But in this, frequently we have to take care of it and have to apply this coat of paint or grease. When it is destroyed, we have to apply again. Second one is galvanization. So galvanization process, that means on any iron material have to deposit a layer of chromium or zinc. Both these are metals. So either metal of chromium or metal of zinc. This layer, if we apply on iron object, it will stop rusting. Now see, ships, we know that it runs on salty water, that is sea water. But when salt is there, rusting process will become faster. So salt water makes the rusting faster. So see children, ships are always deep in sea water. So many damage is there, and frequently they need to repair. So ship continuously means so much of money loss is there, so it cause so much of monetary loss because it need to be repaired frequently. The next topic is 6.4, that is crystallization. First of all, let us see what is crystallization. Crystallization, that means it is a process where large crystals of pure substance can be formed. So in this process, for example, I give you one example. For example, we get salt from sea water. So what actually process is there? Salt, sea water, it gets evaporated and the salt crystals will left behind it. So this process is called crystallization. So here one activity we are going to see is how do we can prepare, we can make crystals. So in this activity, what have to take is, first of all, in a half cup of beaker have to take. In beaker, half of the beaker water have to take, in which add dilute sulfuric acid, few drops only, some 3 to 4 drops of sulfuric acid have to add into it. Then heat this solution till starts boiling. मतलब जब तक boil होता है, means when bubbles forms, till then have to boil it. After it, add copper sulfate powder. So in which continuously stir these materials, stir this boiling substance solution and continuously add copper sulfate, that is bluish color powder, into it. But how long we have to stop adding copper sulfate when no more powder dissolves. That means when powder stops to dissolve, that means when the solution becomes saturated solution. Saturated solution, that means no more of that substance can be dissolved in it. So then we have to stop adding copper sulfate powder and just let it cool. Just keep it aside and let it cool. Don't move it, don't stir it. So afterward, when it is going to cool, slowly you will see crystals of copper sulfate separates. So this way we can see copper sulfate crystals will form at the bottom of the beaker. So all these are the all these topic I have covered in separate videos, but the last one I want to tell you, children, try to identify changes around you as physical or chemical change. So many changes we see around us, just observe it and try to identify whether the change is physical change or chemical change. Do watch all the video, make habit to read the lesson properly and prepare all these things. Thank you.